Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to an update on SEI. As in earlier videos, I was showing you that after the breakout from a falling wedge pattern, the price line of SEI was rejected by a long-term resistance of 70 cents. And this was my last video that I shared almost 1 day ago with you. Now, if we move to the live daily time frame chart, then you can see that after this rejection by the resistance of 70 cents, now we have broken down this quite long-term up trend line support as well. That was coming from 5th of August 2024. You can see that we had a bounce here, bounce here, bounce here, and now after the breakdown, it is slipped into resistance, and the price then tried to break it out once again, but got rejected. Now we have again broken down another very, very significant support of 41.6 cents that was previously breaking as a support here and resistance here and support here and resistance here as well. Therefore, now after the breakdown, it is also flipped into a resistance once again. You can see that the price then tried to break it out, but could not break it out. And after the rejection, it is moving towards the next support. Now, if you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then here you can see that stochastic has once again entered the oversold zone. At the same time, price line is not able to form another lower than previous low. So far, it is still forming another higher low than previous low. But if we take a look at the stochastic, then you can see that it formed this low here, and the next low it is forming lower than the previous one. So far, we have this hidden bullish divergence on this 7 days time frame chart, and stochastic has also entered the oversold zone. Therefore, we can expect a price correction from here. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for SCI that I shared a few days ago on 6th of January 2024 with my members. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, and I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of December 2024 in the video's description. You can also visit that report as well. Let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for SEI that I shared a few days ago on 6th of January 2024 with my members. And it was a bullish bat move that SEI completed on a 2-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was the complete trade set of buying on, sell targets on, and the stop loss. And you can see that after the completion of the final leg, the price was slightly moved up. Therefore, I told my members that we can wait for some price correction to buy it from this buying zone. And now, if I play this chart, then you can see that on the very next candlestick, the price then again dropped down, re-entered the buying zone. Then we had a very, very nice reversal, and the price then rallied beyond the sell target zone. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of SCI. And first of all, let me just show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several days, it was moving inside this falling wedge pattern. By the way, before that, it had been moving inside in another wedge that I've been showing in my previous video. This was the previous falling wedge pattern. And after the breakout from this wedge, we had a very, very powerful rally. If I place a measurement tool from this low to here, then you could see that it was more than 1109% pump, but the price line found a resistance here at $1.14.5. And after the rejection, the price line dropped down and form another falling wedge pattern. That is, by the way, bigger than the previous one. And now, after getting squeezed inside this wedge, we have also broken out this next falling wedge pattern as well. After that, we had a nice short rally, but the price and it's rejected by this long-term resistance of 70 cents that was previously working as a resistance here, support here, and resistance here. And now again, for several days, it has been working as a resistance, and now we have broken down this uptrend line support, and we have also broken down this long-term support of 41.6 cents as well. It has been previously working as a resistance here, and support here. And now again, it is working as a resistance. Now we are moving towards the next support of 32 cents. That was previously working as support here, and resistance here, and support here. And now again, it can work as a strong support for the price line of SEI. By the way, if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then here you can see that stochastic has entered the oversold zone and forming a lower than previous low, but price line is still not forming another low than previous low, still forming higher low than previous low. And this is a hidden bullish divergence signal, and you can see that stochastic has also entered the oversold zone as well. Therefore, there is a probability of a price correction to the upside from here. Now you can also see that we have already broken out this falling wedge pattern, and the price line is not able to hit the target for the breakout from this wedge so far. And that technical target is about to be here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at $1.07. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, You can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member. Because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.